But if you just miss the previous presentation, don't worry. We will put the playback video to our YouTube channel so you can see the presentation and then you can go to the showroom to see the latest collection. Now this is our final supplier to have the presentation. And welcome Alphas from Walifest. So they will showcase their product made by the exotic leather scheme. So please welcome. Hello.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Okay. Yeah, thank you for joining us today. So, can you give us more detail about what kind of product you are offering? Because I just in the introduction I said that you produce the exotic leather bags, but you can give us more detail.
Oh yeah, actually we have very wide range of the products, mainly based on our material to develop and design the real leather goods. Since 1979, we have focused on the manufacture of the real leather goods. We have a very rich experience on it. Like men's bag, women's bag, suitcase, backpack, and even the C-car case, mobile phone case, and so on. As long as it can be made by the real leather, we can do it.
Okay. So can you tell us about your factory? For example, the factory location and the size of your factory?
Oh yeah, our company is located at the Baiyun district of Guangzhou, which is about 15 to 20 minutes far away from the airport. The company has production lines, the sales team, design room, exhibit health, and foreign trade departments. We welcome all customers all over the world come to visit us. And about the size. Sorry. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I feel a little bit jam on about the internet. Yeah, we have a design team and sales team, production team. It counts in administration and logistics. We are about 100 people.
Okay, so there are lots of people. So how about your production capacity? How many products can you produce per month?
It's about 1,000 per month. We have 21 senior craftsmen who have over than 30 years experience on produce, and they are leading our junior craftsmen very efficient.
Okay, as you mentioned, you have your own design team. Can you give us more detail about your design team?
Oh yeah, our design team have 5 designers and design director and chief designer come from Hong Kong and Taiwan respectively. Especially the chief designer have 10 years experience working in a famous brand design team. Now we can have at least 30 new designs per month. After all, our customer need us to provide the new stuff for them to occupy the market and increase their sales turnover. So whether it's OEM or selling our styles, we can meet their needs and save their time is our job, just as we do it in the last few years.
Okay, so as I know you are producing with the exotic leather, so can you tell us what kind of exotic leather can you provide, and then where did you source the material?
Normally we use rare leather like ostrich, python, lizard, crocodiles. These 4 kind of material we use the more. And you mean the producing area? Actually, every material have their own producing area. For example, ostrich skin come from South Africa. And every year we import a lot of different material like crocodile. We keep more than 10,000 of it in stock to satisfy the customers' various needs.
Okay, so can you tell us more about your quality control of your the product and your material?
Sure.
The
The quality is very important for customer. Actually, it's also important for us because it's high value products. Our quality control is extremely strict. It runs through the entire producing process, from the selection of the material to the manufacture of the goods of the products. We have the IPQC, IQC, QC, and FQC, QA. That is short for the like quality assurance or quality control. So the quality control procedure are strict and very high standard. Because we know it's very difficult to do the after-sales service in cross-border trades. Even we like to do because the time cost is too high for our clients and for their customer also. So we try our best to avoid the quality problem.
Okay, so which country are your main market, and can you tell us what type of customer are your current customer?
Oh sure. To be honest, where the demand is, the market is. But like Japan, Korea, United States, South Africa, and Southeast Asia, Middle East are all our main markets. But in terms of sales turnover, I have to say we get more customers from United States and the Middle East.
Okay, so how about the MOQ, the minimum order? So do you have any MOQ for the order?
Yes, we do, but just one pieces of goods is okay because we understand that sometimes the customer need to use a new products to test the market.
Okay, so how about the delivery time and the production time? Yeah.
If the quantity is under 100, the production cycle is within or about 15 working days. But the specific arrival date it depends on the import countries or emphasis of the customer clearance.
Yeah, I think because you have a very nice product, so this is the time to show your product to the buyer. So can you give us some product in front of the camera and show us the product?
Oh yeah, sure. Do you mind help me to open the other camera?
Sure. So our team will handle it. Just a moment.
Okay.
So you need to press the button on your second camera to accept to open the camera.
Yes. 按一下那个按钮。Still not open yet? Oh.
Yeah, we can see the video now.
Oh, you just need to to switch it. It doesn't work. Huh? Sorry, it's a little bit. It's confused me. All right. Okay. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. The first, I have to move my seat. This bag. Can you see it? Can you see the bag?
Yeah.
This bag is made by the ostrich skin. About the ostrich skin, I want to talk about the chromatic aberration. Aberration means color difference. It's because actually this is a characteristic of the wear laser. It will be a little bit different about the color. Even the skin was dyed same color. So that is means all cutting pieces of bag, like the front or back or even the side, have to come from the same leather. The size of this bag is around 30 centimeter. That means you will coat the whole ostrich skin. Can you see the bag? You can put it. Okay, the lower. Okay, I just move it to this camera because the second camera feels like it doesn't work well. Just shut it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry, I have to lower this camera. This is much better. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's better. So to have.
Yeah, it's my bad. The preparation of the camera is not well. Okay. All right. So let's talk about chromatic operation. Is even this is a yellow, and but there will be a difference for each piece of skin, even they are dyed in same color. So for keep the same standard of the color of the all parts of the bag, they have to come from the same skin, same ostrich skin. For the size of this bag is about 30 centimeters. It means you will coat the whole ostrich skin. And if there are defect on skin such as scar or no ostrich paw like this, if there are a lot have a large area, have no ostrich paw, the bag will not have nice looking. So we have to choose the laser with a no defect or large crown area, and those factors are also the basis for the laser grinding. If the grind is high, the cost will be higher. But for sake of good appearance, for the good looking, we choose the higher, even the highest grind to produce. And hold on. The line, can you see a lining? The lining is sheepskin. It will be a little bit heavier than the fabric, but it feels better when you stroke. When you stroke, it feels much better. It's very hard to say which one is better, but we made both of them. It's totally up to the client which one they prefer. And the style of this bag is quite common, and the capacity is large. It's convenience to take out or put in stuff. In the past few years, this bag and similar style have sold very well. Okay, and right. This bag is a mix and match ostrich, and this is ostrich and the lisa skin. Lisa skin is difficult to have large size, so there is no way to make big bag with it. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh, I'm okay. Here is Lisa skin. This is a large size of it. And it's nearly impossible to have a larger size than this one. So we either mix and match with other lizard like this backpack, or we use the lizard skin to make a small stuff like this key holder. Can you see it? And this one, actually, this one is same style like last one, but a different size. It's the mix and match the ostrich and the python. The python skin is a kind of the skin have a very limited width. Please help. 30. You can see that it got very long, but have very limited width. The it's very outstanding material for the windows part of the bag. You know, ostrich skin is quite low key, but the python skin make this bag. Make this bag is more attractive. So it's a kind of the balance for the design also. And if you wear this bag on the street to hang out, it helps you to get more attention.
Yeah, I think it's really nice leather and really nice product. I think
Yes.
it's very good, and I can see the chatbot there are some inquiry. I trust they will contact you afterward. And so thank you for your presentation today.
Okay, thank you.
I think they will contact you later. Thank you and bye bye. Yeah, that's all for our today section. And as I mentioned in the opening, APF organize different kind of virtual event and webinar. So next year we will have another series of virtual event. Please follow our APF, and so you will get more information later. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.